Well, here we are, first ride on the Africa Twin. One of my viewers contacted me and said, hey, you want to swap bikes or whatever? I want to try that little bike out and see if it's something I want. Holy I don't know, this one might be trouble for me. Yeah, woo, that bike's got some sack. This is the 1100. It's got all the ride modes and what have you. ABS, electric suspension. You know, he's got the panniers for it. He got it in April and it's got like 8,000 miles almost. Cool bike, you know. I guess he's thinking about downsizing or something, so we'll see. We're just gonna put around a little, go to some of the spots, and I'll let him try my bike out more than me wanting to try this thing out. I'll see if we got a spot here. Whoop. Whoop. Fucking traffic. Anyway, first impressions, it's heavier feeling in the corners, and it's got a hell of a lot more power even than the CB500X. Holy shit, this thing rocks, dude. So we'll just give it a whirl here, and maybe we'll go into the playground with the jumps and see if he wants to jump the thing a little bit, hit some speed bumps or whatever, fuck around, have a good time. You can feel the weight in the corners. It just feels tall and heavy, but I mean, it's easy to ride. You don't have to rod on it if you don't want to, I guess. I don't know why you wouldn't, though. Fuck me. Oh lordy, just comes right up. A lot of fucking heat back here. This bike has more power.
Quite a bit, huh?
That one just does everything like without drama, really. But this one, you gotta like control yourself, huh?
Yeah. That's why I'm a little bit hesitant to try and pick up the wheel on this one, because I'm so used to that one.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just jumps. Well, I'll take you on the scenic tour around Lakewood or whatever if you want.
Sounds good to me.
If you want to hit that jump a little faster too, that's fun.
No, I'm not used to that yet.
Big fucking hot bike.